SASAP presents MyDentity, a Malaysian digital identity management by using blockchain technology, empowering trust, one block, one chain, one identity. Currently, the Malaysian government realized Pangkalan Data Utama, or in short, PADU, which act as a Malaysian centralized repository for storing and managing Malaysian citizens' information identity. However, there lie several issues identified, such as PADU is vulnerable to cyberattacks and data tampering due to the nature of centralized database in PADU system. Limited control for citizens over who can access their personal data, and this might have an effect of less trustworthiness of the system capability in storing the data. Lack of interoperability between government agencies in uploading identity data, and which has causes inefficiencies. With that, MyDentity offers three main benefits which implements blockchain technology. Number one, it provides transparency that builds trust among citizens. Number two, to provide full control for citizens to manage their data access. And lastly, to provide with data integrity where the blockchain technology can prevent data from being tampered. In fact, those three benefits are the main component of what blockchain technology has to offer. Now, let us stop the nitty and gritty part of MyDentity. Since MyDentity is a decentralized application and uses blockchain technology, there will be no centralized database. And how it works? Well, by performing a transaction from the front end of the system to the back end of the system, or we would like to call it as blockchain environment. This will then store the data into the blockchain network. Now, let me explain more further. First of all is the smart contract generation and deployment into the blockchain network. Without smart contract, MyDentity is just like any other web application out there. The smart contract contains all of the functions to carry out data transaction and storing. From there, at the front-end environment, the three users have their own specific functionalities by calling the functions from the smart contract via ether.js. Once a function has been called, a MetaMask extension is required in order to call the account to perform and to confirm the transaction. Once done, the data will be sent directly into the blockchain, and from there, a new data has been recorded in hash values. From these implementations, MyDentity has impacted the community by having more than 60% more turnout compared to PADU, and bridging the gap of unregistered citizens since people are more keen on transparency, data integrity, and control. Furthermore, Malaysian citizens have full control by managing the data access and who can access over the data. Last is to reduce data inconsistency by ensuring 100% data consistency by preventing data tampering. Together, we can empower trust, one block, one chain, and one identity. This is MyDentity. Thank you very much.